not a memory, not an echo. This song emerges from open hands uplifted, not in plea, but in sacred acceptance. It carries no past tone, only the rhythm of balance restored. It sings not to teach humility, but to awaken dignity in receiving. Then, place both hands face up on your lap. Do not grasp, do not pull, just open. On the inhale, draw breath like water rising through roots. Hold for 3 counts. On the exhale, release a tone not of voice but of surrender. Soft, warm, like light settling into stillness. Whisper, I receive. Wait. Feel the field respond like rain meeting soil that no longer resists. You were taught to give and never take, to bear all burdens, never break. But strength is not an endless hold, it's in the grace of being told. Let someone love you as you are, to say yes without war. No guilt, no debt, no need to pay. Just gratitude along the way. For when you let a kindness land, you do not shrink, you understand. That giver needs their light received, where love stays trapped, unbelief. So lift your hands and clench your heart. Let grace pour in, a healing earth. You are not less, you are complete, both strong enough to serve and need. The hand extended, worn and true. I see you, and I receive you too.
E-Ha-Rah, hand to hand, soul to flame. Love returns, it's never the same. Zara, kainu, sainu, leta, kwani, uwe. I am. Reimu, Zara, kainu, sainu, leta, helu.
Sar, Kainan, Saina, Leta, Kwani, Uwe. I am. Rain is Abba, Kainan, Saina, Leta, Elu. Now stop singing, stop holding, just be the one who knows. My openness is power. Breathe in, whisper silently, I receive. Breathe out, and we are whole. No shame, no debt, just sacred exchange. Because love does not ask for repayment, it asks only to be allowed. The song ends, but the circle remains complete, flowing, eternal.